Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost Instagram story. So the process is very easy, but you do have to remember that you have to be either tap in that story or that user has pretty much give permission to every single person who watched that story to repost it. So the first thing is just open your Instagram application and you can see that they have basically a normal setup. I am not tied up in the specific photo at all, but you can see actually went up and posted. This story was able to repost it because they were tied in this. You can see this one, it's just an image. So we have few options. If you click on top, you can see these options like this, or if you see a little share icon at the bottom, then you should be able to answer your story as well. If there is a little button on the center, you want to click on those things and you will basically able to add them to your story. Now another thing is, you can see at the bottom, not only do we have a heart icon where we can like the story, but we also have share icon. So what we can do is just click on that share icon here, and sometimes if there is a little share to your story option, well, you should be able to do that. You can send the story to other people. So that's another thing you can do. And what can you do is, you can also make your way over to your direct messages, and from there you should be able to also go ahead and see that you've been tied in the story, and you should be able to add that to your story as well. Now finally, let's say nothing is working out. The only other option you have is pretty much screenshot story. So let's say I really like this story. Just take the screenshot, and then I'm going to on my story and just upload, and I can upload this image and just share, and just actually screenshot it all into an image like this, and then you can post it on your story. That's an example. That's pretty much how you do it for most part. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and if you like the video, just like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.